Hey, it seems that luck is on your side today. This ancient secret will solve your problem. Find out why.
1. Introduction to affiliate marketing. 1.1 Introduction. Introduction. The Internet has become an important phenomenon since the beginning of the 21st century. E-commerce has gained a new foothold in the world of business and marketing. Most importantly, allocating costs to acquiring new customers can be expensive, even in an online world where costs are much lower than the offline world. After all, you are still spending money on advertisement, and those costs need to be worth the investment in order to continue investing in them. Would it not be nice to be able to pay for your advertising only when it works? Well, this is a possibility in the online world. It is performance-based marketing, and it is done through affiliate marketing. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? We will answer that question in the following sections. This ebook is an introduction to affiliate marketing, and will answer all the questions to creating and implementing an affiliate marketing strategy within the larger context of Internet marketing. 1.1 What is affiliate marketing? The first question you may be asking yourself is this: what exactly is affiliate marketing? As we stated in the introductory paragraph, affiliate marketing is a type of marketing that relies on performance, and you, as a merchant, only pay when your advertisement performs well. Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing, where the rates of advertising depend on how well the advertisement performs. Traditionally, the Internet has allowed merchants to be able to advertise on certain spaces on the web. This could come in the form of banner ads within certain websites or email messages. It might also include investing in ads like buying space at the top of search inquiries for popular search engines like Google or Yahoo. Yahoo. The problem with buying space like this is that you, as a merchant, are required to pay a flat fee for something like a banner ad to be placed on a website. This poses a problem for one main reason. The biggest and most common problem is that your initial payment for advertising is a bit of a gamble, especially if the site that allows you to advertise is new to you. You might not know how much traffic the advertisement will produce at first. And let's say it does not work out very well. The advertisement did not quite meet expectations, and it resulted in very little traffic to the site and fewer actions taken by prospective clients. At this point, you've sunk more money into the advertisement than what you may have gained back. It is a win-lose situation because the website owner earned money and you, the merchant, lost money. Affiliate marketing. 8. Introduction to affiliate marketing. All hope is not lost, however. With affiliate marketing, the exposure that you get stays intact just as it would for advertising through something like a banner ad. The difference, however, is that instead of paying the affiliate upfront, you only pay the affiliate once some kind of action has been taken, whether through a click or filling out an online form. You could think of this type of payment as a commission for the affiliate. After all, affiliate marketing is a referral-based marketing strategy, and any increase in traffic means more money for the affiliate. In this way, it makes sense for an affiliate to promote their merchant. They have an incentive. As far as affiliate marketing goes, there are certain kinds of models that are used to perform affiliate marketing.
Please call us or click the link below. We look forward to being of service to you.